What's up everyone? My name is Joseph from Neo Builders, and today I want to talk about a JADU on a budget. Now, we did the plans here, we did the architectural, we did the design, and the client took it into his own hands to build this, and I want to show you what he built. Come check out this unit, Joseph, Neo Builders. If you like content like this, like and subscribe the video down below. Let's head into a tour. First thing you're gonna see here is an upgraded gas tank, gas meter. We have our earthquake valve right here. We have our shutoff valve right here. And you'll see you have a separate entrance for the junior accessory dwelling unit. Come. So if we come outside, you'll see our entrance is right back here. There'll be a separate entrance for the home, for the people that live here, the tenants. You'll see tons of new windows and some stucco patches that we did. But as soon as we walk into the project, you'll be able to see our beautiful new junior ADU. Come on, check it out. So 500 square foot junior accessory dwelling unit. The first thing you walk into is a living room. This living room is just about 130 square feet. Now, you're gonna have an AC unit up here. You're gonna have tons of outlets, new vinyl windows. You have dimmers and switches on this side, and your TV area is going to be right here. So the way I imagine this unit is couches over here, maybe some tables over here, but really a nice sized living room. The next thing you'll see is your bedroom. So if you walk down here, we have a privacy door. Our bedroom is gonna be right here. We have our AC unit right here. Our bed, 2 outlets on each side. We'll be able to have a TV over here. We also have a window over here and plenty of just space to maneuver. Now this corner is always tricky. What ended up happening was this whole thing was a master bedroom. So we ended up putting a wall right here, and it kind of splits the unit. Now the bathroom is here and the closet is here, but this corner is really important to discuss. So we made sure we have plenty of space to cut this corner. Now people think you need a ton of space for walk-in closets. This is a half walk-in closet. It's 24 square feet. Shelvings are from Home Depot, MDF shelving, very easy to install, affordable to purchase. Again, you leave drywall on each side. You leave, 4 by 6 square feet, plenty of space to put folding clothes over here and a ton of hanging clothes. This is perfect for a junior ADU on a budget. Now, our bathroom. This is one of the best places to show off your work. Our homeowner picked tons of nice options. Now the first thing you'll see is our mirror. Our mirror is touch screen. You have a bunch of defrost options. Really, if you spend a little bit more money on a mirror like this, it takes the project far. Like here we have our 36-inch clearance for our toilet, so it's ADA accessible. Plenty of space. A lot of people like to do 32 inches for the toilet. If you have enough space for 36 inches, it makes a world of a difference. You come back here into our shower. We have our shower and tub area, subway tiles, nothing crazy. Again, easy, on budget. All these tiles are stock items, which is really nice and really affordable. Later on, we're going to put a shower frame, the shower glass that costs right around $1,200. And yeah, handheld. It's important actually, things like this. This is an expensive shower fixture. You can tell that everything kind of moves. You can tell that you have a handheld and you have a rainfall shower. This system costs $500, but I think it makes a load of a difference when you have a tub and you want to have a handheld and you want to have a rainfall shower. Obviously, we have an exhaust fan right here, and everything came out nice. Everything was in budget and everything was in stock. Let's go check out. Okay, so we talk about junior ADUs a lot. Now remember, we're using the existing space of the main house. So this space was once a hallway. Now we have right around 8 feet right here. We have 11 feet going in length. We have a 21 linear foot kitchen. If you look here, we went for cabinets. They don't go all the way up to ceiling, which is good because, again, this is an affordable project. If you want to go cabinets all the way to the ceiling, it costs a lot more. So standard HD supply cabinets. Our countertops are prefabricated quartz. We have a 24-inch sink, and we have a range microwave that hoods out to the top. We also have our washer dryer and plenty of cabinet space for our washer dryer to kind of fold clothes or to prep food. Now again, this kitchen, it has all the bells and whistles. It has your sink, it has your oven, it has your washer dryer, it has your fridge, it even has a dishwasher. It's important when you're building a kitchen, if you're gonna have a galley kitchen, you really wanna have enough space to have 2 people walk in and out. In this case, we have 3 feet. Again, you can always go for the luxury version of your kitchen, and you can always go for an affordable. It just depends really on the rent and depends on the existing space. I also want to talk about our panel in just a minute, but if we come look here, we have a bigger washer dryer here. Now it blocks the window a little bit, but we need to push it back. We're still working on a couple of things here, but it comes out perfect with the window. I think it's important to have a big washer dryer here. The homeowner believes that 2 people are gonna live here, so washer dryers at 30 inches are really, if you have the space, are really good. Other than that, dual plugs here, GFIs over here. I think this kitchen came out really nice. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you look at the panel right here, we have a separate sub panel that feeds right to the main meter right outside. In case there's a fire in this unit or there's a fire in the other unit, you can turn anything off. So that's really important to have your sub meter as well. This here is Sean's JADU. Now Sean says a bunch of nice stuff about us. Sean is a contractor at Attic Care. He does insulation. What do you do, Sean?
So yeah, my name is Sean. I'm a contractor, and basically I specialize in energy efficiency. I contact new builders because I know that I don't know enough about JADU and the whole process from the permitting all the way to the complete project. So I contact them and they guide me step by step. They came over, they run me through all the inspections, and honestly I'm super happy.
Yeah, so really what Neo Builder does is helps other contractors, helps homeowners build ADUs and junior ADUs. Sean knows tons about construction and insulation, but not as much about ADUs. So we kind of walk him through the project, help him with plans, help him with construction. He really PM'd this whole project with a little bit of our help. So I want to give a shout out to Sean. I hope you give a shout out to us, and we love ADUs, we love JADUs, and hire Attic Care or Neo Insulation for all of your installation processes. Guys, I love ADUs. I love junior ADUs. I love more housing. It's important, ADUs and junior ADUs. But what I will say is keep in budget and know your existing size of your home. Make sure before designing your ADU, you know where you want everything. Our homeowner knew exactly what he wanted. Everyone, if you like this type of content, you like these tours, like and subscribe the video below. And I have a bonus question. Bonus question is, when you're doing an ADU, a junior ADU, or even a house, what kitchen size do you need for a 500 square foot unit? Let me know down below. I'm gonna give a little prize for anyone who comments the best size for their kitchen in a 500 square foot unit. Thank you everyone. My name is Joseph from Neo Builders. Have a good day.